Yeah, been waiting a long time for this. Obviously, it's been from an international point of view, 4 long months. But really excited for it. Obviously, had a great start to the campaign, and looking to sort of keep things going. Really, I think when you travel away in international football, it's their supporters, their players, going to make it as hostile as possible. So we're expecting that, but I think the experiences now we've got both at club level and international level in the squad. We're certainly capable of dealing with that. Yeah, been playing regularly in the last few weeks, which is always great. And I'm a player like most people. I think that's where you start getting the better, more consistent performances. So good time to meet up from a Welsh point of view, and I can't wait to get the game underway now. I think the self-belief start we've had, we're all, we're really confident we can go there, get a good result, and keep putting pressure on the other teams in our group. We want to get back out on the pitch as soon as possible, and this is a game that I've been waiting to play in for a long time now.